Okay, this is a Dunkirk steam boiler install. And there's the front of the boiler, gas train. Up here you can see the gauge and the vapor stat. This boiler has two 4-inch risers. One comes up there, one comes up there. This side has the skim port, which is used in cleaning. This boiler also has what's called a dropped header, and you can see where each of the risers come up above the header and then drop down into it like this. This is the old existing header, which has the steam takeoffs. That's all original. And this comes down. That's the old equalizer. And down in behind, let me get a light. The old Hartford loop. It's got a copper return line that was replaced a few years ago. So all that was we left existing. Over here is our return. It's piped over here to both sides of the boiler. Here's the low water cutoff, secondary pressure control, and then over here I put a secondary probe type low water cutoff. And it's just we just kind of piped it in to the side of the boiler. I didn't particularly care for the tapping that Dunkirk put over here on the side of the boiler. I thought it was a little too high, and so I just put it over there, and we're using this Miller number 67 as our operating control, low water cutoff, and it sends a signal over here to this VXT boiler fill control. And I just reset it to 0. We just cleaned this boiler, and we're going to let it go for a few weeks, come back, see if it's taken on any water, and see how dirty the water is, and probably clean it and skim it again. So this is just the beginning of the heating season here in Colorado, so it hasn't really had that many hours run on it yet. So, okay, so that's a little overview of this boiler, and give you an update if necessary.